welcome back to my channel. I look a little crazy today because I'm gonna go to the gym and we're gonna run some errands, but I wanted to do a little fall video for you guys today because it's officially fall. Labor Day weekend is over. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video of Indian River and Sheboygan where we went up north for the holiday and to celebrate my stepdad's birthday. But now we're getting into fall content, so today we're gonna be going to Home Goods. I'm gonna see what they have. I'm just excited. I'm gonna get a Starbucks pumpkin something, of course, and probably a snack because I'm pretty hungry, but I'm excited to see what they have at Home Goods. I wanted to get candles too at Bath & Body Works, but right now they're only having the sale of like $10 off, so it still makes them $16, and I just don't want to pay that, so I'm gonna wait for a better sale. But yeah, if you guys are excited for fall content and you want to see a little haul, some decorating, all the fall things, then keep watching. Subscribe to my channel if you do enjoy this video and want to see more, and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And let's go fall shopping. Hi guys. So I was pulling in and I just remembered that I heard Michael's has like their pastel collection, so I'm hoping to find some stuff there before I head over to Home Goods. But I wanted to show you guys what I got from Starbucks. I got the pumpkin cream cold brew. I asked for a grande and they must not have had the cups, so they gave me a venti like halfway filled, which is really weird. They should have probably just gave me a full one. I mean, that would have been better, but that's fine. I probably don't need that much coffee anyways. And then they didn't have the Impossible breakfast sandwich that I wanted, so I just got like an egg and cheese sandwich, which was disappointing. But my Starbucks, I'm surprised even had food because a lot of the times they're like out of all their food, but it's really good. And this pumpkin cream cold brew, I don't remember if I've ever had it before, but it's really, really good. So fingers crossed that we can find some pastel stuff in Michael's. Let's go. Okay guys, I just got home and I did find some things. They didn't have the best of stuff, but it wasn't horrible. The pastel collection in Michael's was like shoved way in the back, so at first I thought that they didn't have it. But a lot of the stuff they had was stuff from last year that I already purchased last year, so I got a few things I'll show you. First of all, I got these little like tea lights, these little like black sparkly lights. They're battery operated, just to go on my bar cart or like scatter around the house. Then I saw this on one of my favorite YouTubers of videos that she got this at Michael's, and I love it. It reminds me of something that would be at Bath & Body Works, but it's this like Marie Antoinette vibes like candle holder. My theme of my apartment is like really girly and pink and like old school Juicy Couture stores. Like it was very like Marie Antoinette girly vibes, hence hello. We have the gigantic Her Majesty Juicy Couture picture frame in my living room, so that's kind of the theme and the vibe that we're going for. So I think this will look so cute right on my table. I feel like this will go perfect, and it's like actually pretty good quality. So this is a little potion bottle. This was $20, but as I showed you guys, everything was 30% off, so I got all of these things for $40, but it has like a little bat charm on it, and I think this is so cute. I wish this came off, but it doesn't, but it's like this pink little crystal potion bottle, and I think that's so cute. Then from Home Goods, we're gonna go into that bag. I needed a new like getting ready headband, or like when I'm doing my skincare, so I got this like orangish pink one for like Halloween, fall time. And then I got this white pumpkin garland, and I'm gonna put this like on my fireplace or the bar cart. I think this is so cute. Hopefully Comet doesn't try to eat it because right now he's already looking at it. Sorry the lighting's not the best either. I'm sitting in my living room. And then I got these little paper pumpkin plates just to eat off of throughout the season. So, you know, the less dishes, the better. And then this is my favorite thing that I got. I'm obsessed with this. It's like my favorite color, this like purple, pinkish pumpkin. It's a glass pumpkin, and I think this is stunning to go in my living room or in my office. I love this. So I didn't get too many things, but that's good because I didn't spend too much money. So I'm really excited, and I'll show you guys like where I put everything. So first and foremost, I have to go into this hot mess of a spare closet, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but underneath all of this wedding stuff and all of this Christmas stuff, the fall stuff is way down there, so we're gonna pull all this out. So this is all the fall decor that I have that I've accumulated over the past couple of years of living in my apartment. I'm going to first start out by putting that beautiful white pumpkin garland on my fireplace while I listen to a YouTube playlist. This is just like a coffee shop jazz fall playlist, and it really gets me in the fall spirit. So I just put this cute little Keurig on the bar cart. We're gonna start decorating this, and then I have this really cute little black cat coffee mug. Next I'm gonna put out my fall pillows, and I got that really cute fall blanket that's on the couch. Now we're gonna redo this coffee table, take away the summer stuff, and make it ready for fall. I don't have any fall candles yet just because they haven't been on sale yet, but this is what the coffee table looks like so far. I know the picture frame is a little bit beachy, but I don't want to take away our engagement photo until I get a frame for the fall. But I absolutely love this, and I think it looks so good with the Juicy Couture, like Marie Antoinette theme we have going on in here. I think that's so cute. I'm gonna take away this Say Hello to Summer. We're gonna put this was my grandma's. I forget what the name of these people were called, but she loved these kind of pillows. I put my mom's out here. They're doing pretty good. Now I'm just gonna drink my coffee while I finish decorating. So this is the final product of the bar cart. I put all these little potion bottles up here just because it kind of looks like little like decanters, or like, I forget what the word is called, where you put like the bourbon and stuff in them, but they're obviously not usable, but they're so cute. And then the pink and orange kind of go with the theme, so I left those champagne bottles. Hi, Comet. I put these little like black candles that are just battery operated all around the bar cart with these little like fake magic spell books, and then I have this gold pumpkin down here with the little crow with the crown. Hey, no, we're not doing that, but I think it looks so cute. Now I'm gonna put this a little witch please pumpkin in my bedroom by my desk. I also have this little candle burning. It fits the color tone, but it's not, again, a fall fragrance yet. I have my little plates right here, and then I just added my little fall towels to the stove. Now I'm gonna do this little coffee area. I have my wax warmer right here. I hate how the cord sticks out though. It's not like the most pretty, so maybe we'll try to hide that with a few pumpkins. As you can tell, I have different color schemes going on in each room of the house, but like all still pretty girly. Up here, because the shower curtain and everything is like light lavender, I have this gorgeous pumpkin that lights up on top of here with these like little purple lights, and it looks so beautiful, and it matches perfectly. So I ended up putting this skull down here right when you walk in to go up the stairs, and I think it looks really nice on this little white table just for a little pop of Halloween when you first walk in. Lastly, I put this little sparkly pumpkin in my office on my vanity because it fits the room in here just for a little pop. The perfect loaf. Look at your Halloween mouse. Tonight I'm making a chicken lemon orzo soup. I'm just gonna start by melting some butter, and then I got this from Trader Joe's. It just makes my life so much easier. So I'm gonna put that in the pot with some garlic and let that simmer for a bit. I will have this entire recipe that's step by step. I got it off of Pinterest. I will have it in the description box below so that you guys can follow it. So after I put all the seasonings, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of flour in there and then some chicken broth as well. And then we're going to add our orzo and our chicken. This is like a glorified version of chicken lemon rice, and it turned out so yummy. I used like 4 lemons because me and my fiance love a lot of lemon. So you can do less, you can do more, that's just up to you. But like I said, I will have the recipe linked down below. I poured myself a glass of wine while I'm cooking. I also shredded up the chicken once it was done cooking and added it back to the pot. And this turned out amazing. It was so, so good. Highly recommend for the perfect fall night. Well, that's it for today's vlog, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me shop and decorate a little bit in my apartment for fall/Halloween. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love being friends with you guys and talking to you guys, so I would love to have you be a part of the family and subscribe for more Halloween and fall videos. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.